Today I'm going to be fitting a new front lip onto the bumper of the Spider. There are a lot of products out there that you can buy. There's companies like Easy Lip, Renault Lip, Everything Lip that you can use on your car, and I've got to say I've used a few of them. I've used Easy Lip, I've used Renault Lip, I've used Easy Lip Pro, etc. Easy Lip is probably the best of the bunch, but none of them will sit vertically down, which is what I need for this car. They all sit at an angle outwards and they're all pretty shit. So even the more expensive ones, which is Easy Lip, a lot of them adhere with 3M or fake 3M if you use one of the Chinese specials, which is crap. The ones that use screws, more substantial but still not great. So what you ideally need to do is not use adhesive. You need to use nuts, bolts, washers, and do the job kind of properly. So this is what I have here. I will put the dimensions up and I'll try and find the item that I've got on eBay for the car, for anyone with the Spider or anyone wanting the same thing. It's basically, it was the biggest I could get, and it's a U channel, essentially in black, EDPM, EPDM rubber. Quite solid, quite firm, but it does mean that it can sit vertically down, which is what I want. So the plan is to fit this up to the car, and I will show you how I do that. And as with a lot of videos, you can apply this to any car and hopefully do a good job of fitting this kind of stuff to your vehicle. So let's get started. Okay, so now we've done our first initial pass at it, we can kind of take a look and see any areas where we could probably benefit from some additional holes made, any adjustments we need to make to the holes that we've made already. So I'm going to go and start that, and I'll show you what I'm doing as I'm doing it. Now we need to do the final thing, which is to cut out where we need to stop kinks like this here.